Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something super exciting: how to automate AI-generated video using n8n. Imagine a simple text prompt to a stunning video with AI-generated images, voiceovers, and seamless editing, all without lifting a finger. In this video, we will build an automation that takes a text prompt, generate an AI image, convert the text to speech, and merge both into a video. All inside AI Power Tool inside the n8n. So let us test the workflow. So here we have to give the topic name. So here I am giving the jellyfish. And you can see the workflow is executing fine. So let me show the audio. So this is the audio file.
Dive into the mesmerizing world of jellyfish wonders.
So this is the audio file generated, and here are images. This is image 1, this is image 2, and this is image 3. And this is our finally full-flagged video.
Dive into the mesmerizing world of jellyfish wonders. Discover the captivating allure of jellyfish, nature's ethereal marvels that have roamed our oceans for millions of years. Learn how their luminescence, graceful movements, and unique adaptations offer scientists insights into marine biology. Uncover the mysteries.
So now let us start building this automation form. So this is my new workflow, and we will start. The first node we will be taking is on form submission, and here we will be naming this form title as generate your video. So this is the form title, and name we are writing is write the topic name. The next node we will be taking is a execute command node. So here is the command which we want to run in our system. So it is the command. What this command will do, this will delete all the element in this folder. So in this folder, we will save our audio file, our image, and the final output. So each and every time this command will run, it will empty the folder. You will start building the new video. So the next command we'll be taking is an OpenAI model, and it is message a model, and here we have to write our prompt. So this is the OpenAI account. If you haven't created, you can create by clicking on the create new credential, and it is the text, and the operation is message a model, and here we have to select the model. So this is our model 3.5. And here we had to write our prompt. So I have already written this prompt, so let me copy and paste the prompt. So this is my prompt I have already written, so let me paste this. So I have pasted this command. So this is the script what we want. So we want 3 things: the intro, base, and CTA, and I have already also given the words character length. So this is the description. So let us move forward. So this is the system prompt. We also have to add another message, which is a user message, and here the user message is. So this is the query. We are fetching form previous nodes. So let me execute the previous node. So here I will write the jellyfish. So as you can see, it is fetching that. So let me execute this command. So as you can see, my script is completed, generated, and this is my intro part, CTA, base, and description titles. So let us take the next node. So the next node we'll be taking is a set edit field, and here we have to write the script, and here we just have to drag drop this. So let me open this. So here we have to also select the output content as JSON and rerun this node. so it is okay. Now we have got this proper JSON format, so I will just drag drop this here. And so it will give the script. We click on this. So I am getting the full script now. Let us move back. And the next will be HTTP request node. So I am using this. I am renaming as voice generator 1. So this okay, the request will be a post request and will be our URL. So this our URL, and here in authentication we don't need this, and here we have send the query parameter. We have to select the header, and here we have to give the API key. So this is authorization. So here we'll write the bearer after the space. I have to paste my OpenAI key. So this is my key, so this is okay. Now I have to also enter the content type. It will be application/JSON. Now this is done, we have to select the body, and here we are sending the JSON body. And here we have to using body, so I have already written this. So this is our model, this is the input, so we have to drag drop this. This is the name, and this is the format which you will get the result. So let us test this node. So we have gotten the audio, so let us play this.
Discover the mysterious world of jellyfish. Explore the fascinating facts and stunning beauty of these ocean creatures. From the depths of the sea to your screen, get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of jellyfish. Dive in and explore #JellyfishWonder.
So this was our voice generated, so next node, we will be taking a read-write node. So by using this, we saving this audio file in our system, so later on we can make the video out of it. Here we have to set the location. Here I have to, so this is the voice generator, it will save it in our system, so let me test the step. So I have executed this node, and it has saved the data in this image folder, so this is my location, so this is working fine. So let us move the next. Here I will be taking a wait node, so I am taking a 10-second wait, so this audio can be saved, so let us execute this node. So this node is working fine, so the next node we'll be taking is a code node. So here we have to write the logic, so I have already written the script, so let me copy and paste this. So this is the code, we are directly accessing the script which we have written here. We are diving in 3 paragraph into 1, 2, 3 with duration of SXS. With a unique ID, so let us execute this node. So as you can see, as it is executing fine, let us move forward. So the next node we will be taking is a split node. And it is so here we will be splitting this data. First of all, we have to write the result of data that we can get it split. So this is okay. So here we have to select all other fields. So let us execute this here. So as you can see, this data is spitted. So this is done. So let us move to the next node. Next node is OpenAI node. So this is the model. I am selecting message a model. So this is my OpenAI account. I have already entered the credential and enter this resource is text. The operation is message model. So here is the model which we want to select. So here I am using chat 3.5 turbo, and here we have to give the prompt about the video generation. So this prompt is already written. So let me copy and paste. So this is the prompt I am giving for image creation. Here I am telling that you are a prompt generator agent for video creation, the prompt and other details, like what you have to generate. Always include the keyword in your prompt. So let us execute this. So here now we have this is system role. And we add a user role. Here we have to add the other prompt. Here it is expression. Here we have to write. So we have to select this output content as JSON and let us test this. This node is executing successfully. The next node will be HTTP request for image generation. Method will be a post method. So here we have to enter the URL. Here I am using Hugging Face Flux model, so let me select the URL. So here we have to pass the authentication. We have to select the generic credential type, and here will be custom auth. And here I have selected the API key of Hugging Face. If you haven't, you create the credential. So next, sending a body, so the name will be inputs. So here we have to pass with the expression. So as you can see, it is getting this prompt message. So let us test this node. So as you can, we have retrieved the images. First one here is the second one, and this is the third one, so we will rename this request image 1. So let us move forward. So the next node we'll be taking is a read-write node, so that we can save the images in our images folder. So here we have to give the URL. So it will be expression. So this will increment every time first. So here we have to give the extension with JPG. So as you can see, the node is saving the file path and name. I will execute this is giving this saving the images. Now thing we will be doing is adding an edit field. So we will rename the image names as the images name folder. We also have to give the name of audio. So these are the name. Instead of these, we can use the images 1. These are the names we can change of the images and audio. Let's move back. So the next node we'll be taking is an execute node. So before this node, we have to install a framework whose name is FFmpeg. So this is the framework we have to install in our system. So we will use this to make the video. So just download, install it, and set its path, then it will work my command. I have written the command. So just paste this command. So this is my command, I am using this. So this is my command, I am using this in my folder FFmpeg. And here I setting the image 1, image 2, image 3, and these are the duration for each image. And here is location of my folder where our output is stored. So as you can see, the node is executing successfully. Next node will be read node, so I will use this node. So here I will write the URL there. My URL is this. This is my URL. Let's test this node. So as you can see, these are the images, and this is my output file, and I am accessing this file here, and let me play this world.
Discover the mysterious world of jellyfish. explore the fascinating facts and stunning beauty of these ocean creatures. From the depths of the sea to your screen, get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of jellyfish. Dive in and explore #jellyfish wonder.
So this is the video. We have made this automation from scratch, so let us execute this one more time. So here I want a video on the topic Batman, so I will just hit enter. So I is executing the voice and images. So our model has generated images, and this is the last one. So this is another video of Batman.
Unleash your inner superhero with these Batman-inspired workouts. Transform your fitness routine with these dynamic Batman-inspired workouts. From agility drills to strength training, these exercises will help you channel your inner dark knight. Get ready to feel stronger, faster, and more resilient.
So this was all for the automation.
Become the hero
I will
of
met
your
you
own
in
fitness
other
journey.
automation. That's it for today's video. We've built a full AI-powered video automation workflow using n8n. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what automation you'd like next. See you in the next one. So, thank you.